So we're gonna do this song called Fixed It All by the group Pærish. And you could play this song with all power chords, open position, as long as you have some kind of good distortion going. And the song starts out with a little riff, you know, a kind of chugging riff. A, C, F. You could play power chords. You could play full bar chords and however you're comfortable with. If you want to play the open position, you can play the F chord by fretting the second string, first fret, third string, second fret, fourth string at the third fret. Makes like a little stair step shape. Alright, and just play those three notes, unless you can hang your thumb around and get the F. But you know, this song I wouldn't worry too much about, you know, how you're playing the notes, as long as your rhythm is, you know, in the groove. All right, the next part of the song is the verse, and they go into a different chord progression for that. They go A, D, A, D, B flat, F. So it's just those, the B flat and the F are passing chords on the way back up to the A. If you want to play these in the open position for the B flat, just take your A shape and scooch it up to the third fret. And now, you know, you could play it like this, where you flatten your ring finger, and then you're ready to go right to the F, the simplified F shape. So it's up to you how you want to play it. The easiest way would probably be with all power chords, like this or like this. When you play a 6-string chord, you're gonna just play strings 6, 5, 4. And if you play it like a 5th string root chord like C, you're gonna play strings 5. Yeah, 5, 4, 3. Those strings, just 3 strings. All right, and after the verse, they go into a chorus, and the chorus is F, D, B flat. All right, so that's the chorus. And then when they come out of, I believe at about minute 2, at about 2 minutes 30 seconds into the song, they go into a bridge to break things up. All right, so we have the chorus ends, go into this bridge. Very grungy. It's G, B flat, D. Then, after the bridge, they go into a short guitar solo. And for the guitar solo, they played the introductory chord progression. A, C, F. And they repeat that several times while the guitar solo plays, and we'll talk about the guitar solo. And then after the guitar solo ends, they go into another chorus, and that's played the same way as before. And then when they finish that chorus, they just go to this little G. And they bend that D. And that's how the song ends, with that. So, again, after the final chorus, they just go to that bridge section. The chorus, the chord progression is G, B flat, D. All right, the guitar solo, I think it's played mostly here at the it's played at the 10th fret, and then I think they move up to the 13th and 15th. So, 10, 12, 13, 15, that's where they're playing. Yeah, I think he starts out just with bending this second string at the 10th fret. Then he slides up with his index finger now on that 10th fret second string, and he bends the third string at the 12th fret. Does that little bend move. So you leave your index finger stationary and you bend up your third string. And then I think he does this little, you keep your fingers like this and you can slide up to I think he does a move like that where he's going on the 13th and 14th strings. And he might even go up. Or he might be doing that bend move at the 13th and 15th. So, if you mess around here at in these two positions, you should be able to get a close approximation of the guitar solo. I don't think it matters too much if you're technically note for note, as long as you're just playing some good riffs in that groove. I don't think you have to worry too much about being exactly the same as the recording. So anyways, that's the song. I like it. It's got some great chord progressions in there that are unusual, and it makes it sound unique, and I like the vibe of it, and so I think it's a great song. So it's called Fixed It All by Pærish. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. It helps me with the YouTube people, gets them off my back, so I'd appreciate that. Thanks for watching. Bye.